Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the one and very much discussed problems of the Windows PC users, that is Windows updates. Windows updates pose many issues. They can come up at any time. So we have discussed how to fix that. We can turn off the automatic updates, right? But the second most common issue with Windows Update is after some updates, your PC seems to run slow and you must be thinking that it was way better before the update. Why did I update it? So if you're also thinking the same thing, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to see that how can you fix the issue when your PC runs slow after installing a Windows update. So without any further ado, let us just dive right into the topic. The first step you need to do is press Windows R from your keyboard and type in clean mgr. Click on OK. Make sure you select the C drive. Again, click on OK. This will bring up some of the cleanup space for you. In my case, it's just 15.3 MB that is available. So I'm not going to clean it up. But in your case, it might be in GBs of data. So if it is the case, or if it is even greater than 100 MB, then I recommend you check all these boxes and click on OK to clean up the files. So it is basically cleaning up the temporary and the cache files and any of the update files that the Windows update might have created accidentally that are slowing down your PC. The second step you need to do is you need to make sure that you need to restore your PC to a version before the updates. So how do you do that? The process is you need to go to this PC. Here you need to go to Windows C or actually the C drive. Here you need to search for a folder called Windows. Now once you are in the Windows folder, you have to search for software distribution. So just scroll down and search for a folder called software distribution. Here it is. In my case, it would be modified on the date your latest update was installed. In my case, it was 27th December 2022. That's around 2-3 months back. So let me just open it up. Now once you get into software distribution folder, just press Ctrl A, select all the files, press Shift Delete to permanently delete them. These are actually the files from your latest Windows update that have been installed over here. Once you delete those files, then restart your system. It will go back to the state it was when the update was installed, like before the update was installed. So now your PC will run faster if there was any issue related to the updates. Now after performing the steps, you have removed the updates. So that's how you can make sure your PC is restored to its original place, original version before it was updated. Once you have done this, once you have deleted the files, once you have restarted your PC, the next step you need to do is, and this is a mandatory step, not an optional step, press Windows R from your keyboard. Again, bring up the run command, run dialog box, just pressing temp, capital TEMP temp, click on OK. Right now for me the folder is empty, but you can press Ctrl A to select all the files. If there are any in your case, then Shift Delete to permanently delete them. After this, again press Windows R and this time type in mod temp mod and click on OK. Then right now I have only 2 files in my case because it is of the programs that I'm currently using, but in your case it might be multiple files, hundreds or even thousands of files. Press Ctrl A to select them all, then Shift Delete to permanently delete those files. So again, this will make sure that your Windows PC speed is boosted up. So these are the 4 steps that you need to follow to make sure your PC speed is up to date and remove the Windows update that was recently installed. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.